Hey guys, this YouTube channel is all about male health and vitality, and today I'm going to reveal a little known exercise for improving your prostate health. I'll show you how to heal your prostate gland in just 3 to 5 minutes a day by following this secret procedure. My name is Laura El-Awar. I'm International Intimacy Advisor, expert in sexual alchemy, Healing Tao USA certified instructor, and Universal Healing Tao certified bodywork practitioner. An old Thai medicine man, one of my many teachers in Thailand who specialized in alternative approaches to male health, taught me this secret method a long time ago. So let's get right to it. The main thing to remember is to have a reasonably full bladder before you start this exercise. You will go pee immediately after doing this so that all the bacterial fluids get released from the prostate into the bladder and get flushed out of your body. I should also mention that prostate cancer may be a contraindication. I'll teach you how to perform this unique exercise with a conventional tennis ball. We're going to need a regular sized tennis ball just like this one. We will also need a soft chair or a sofa arm. If you don't have any one of those, you can use a regular hard chair with a cushion on top of it. I'm going to have you place the tennis ball in your groin, up against your perineum, which is the area between your testicle sac and your anus. Place the tennis ball on the soft chair, then sit directly on the ball, easing your way into it. If your prostate is inflamed and you are in discomfort, find the right amount of pressure for yourself. We are not doing this to create pain and suffering. Instead, we are increasing the blood circulation around the prostate region. So in the first minute or so, use your legs muscles for support and stay with your comfort zone if you experience pain. Easing into this practice is very important. Please do not inflict any pain to yourself. The feeling should be that of a light, pleasant pressure against the perineum. Alternate sitting down on the tennis ball with gently lifting yourself away from it. Let's try it right now. So lightly sit down on the ball for a few seconds and lift away from it. And again, sit on it and lift, and sit and lift. Continue for a few more moments on your own. Doing it like this with caution is a safe way to start this practice. When your groin is nice and warm with an increased blood flow, start rolling the tennis ball back and forth between your testicle sac and your anus. Go back and forth a few times, then side to side, left to right, and back. Do not roll the ball directly on your testicles. You do not want to touch the testicles and bruise them. So again, we roll the ball up and down, then sideways. Besides the prostate gland, this area in the perineum has bulbourethral glands that can cause pain and discomfort if swollen and inflamed. So the key is to get yourself slowly acclimated to the tennis ball and then start rolling it in the 4 directions: up and down, side to side, up and down, and side to side. You do not want to stay in one place with the ball under your groin. It's not about squeezing the area. If the tissues are compressed, there is no oxygen flow to the area and no blood flow. So please only use comfortable pressure. You will notice that you experience less and less discomfort the more you practice this technique. If you do this practice every day for 3 to 5 minutes, you will notice an increased flow of urine. It will be nice and strong, like when you were a little boy or a teenager. Your bladder will feel light with no pressure whatsoever. Your prostate gland will feel alive again. Any stagnant fluids and bacteria will be flushed out. As a result, you will experience much better, stronger erections. After just a week of daily practice, you will feel rejuvenated. Another pleasant side effect: if you experience erectile dysfunction and rely on a pill, do this daily, 5 to 8 minutes, and you will be able to have a natural erection. If you'd like to learn about the ancient Taoist genital massage called Karsine Sang, click on the video on your screen. Click the link below this video to have a Karsine Sang clearing session with Laura. To find out about restorative reproductive health male bodywork, visit www.rejuvenatewithtao.com or call Laura about in-person and remote video sessions. Subscribe to this channel if you like this video so you do not miss any future videos just like this one.